You can't see it, but it is applied. Now, it feels incredibly smooth. You can see the water just bubbles away. The first product up is a screen protector from Smart Devil. The claim is dust-free, fast, fingerprint, smooth feel, shatterproof, drop-proof, and scratch-resistant. This is a 3-pack, and it just happens to be for the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is what we've got here. But I don't know if you can see here, I had a crack started here on my current screen protector, and it's radiating out. So I need to get a new screen protector, so the timing could not be better. So the idea with this is that the box is literally going to be able to apply the screen protector for us. So I've never used this. It says after opening the cover, place the phone using your left hand and hold the area with your right hand, pull the tab steady. So you basically open this up. One of these is stuck underneath there. And yeah, these basically fit down in here. You've got 3 chances to do this right. There's an accessory bag here. I just want to double check and see what's inside of it. Looks like a cleaning cloth, cleaning wipes. Those are probably not a bad idea. It is able to get dust and keep all of those hairs and dust off, which is going to be really, really cool if this works. I'm very excited about that. Cleaning wipes, here we go. And the instructions. Let's take a quick look to make sure I'm showing how to do this right here. Use the cleaning wipes to prep the screen, place this phone face down, close the box, wait 5 seconds to allow the protector to attach, and then open the box. It couldn't be any easier. Replacement installation, pull the tab face up, upwards, place the replacement screen protector into the box. Okay, so same process if you're doing the replacement. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna see if this works. I'm really excited. I'm not gonna use the cleaning wipes because there's literally nothing in here. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put this directly down as they recommend. Now, they say hold and pull the tab. That's all you gotta do, and wait 5 seconds. Now, did this actually work? So I open it back up, and this front cover came off. Very good. So that was the other side to it. And my screen protector, you can't see it, but it is applied. Now, it feels incredibly smooth. There's a little bit of adhesion on the edges that I'm just going to push down to help it, which is very common with all screen protectors, but there are 0 bubbles. I'd never installed a screen protector that easy, and it's dead on. You can see how clean it is, not a single bubble. One thing that they said is that it's hydrophobic. What does that mean? Well, that means if you try to get water on it, it's going to sheet off. So I took a little tiny bit of the water that we have here. You can see the water just bubbles away. Okay, I gotta do that again because that was so cool. I'm gonna do it one more time. It's hydrophobic. Water is coming right off of that. This is pretty cool. But basically it comes with 2 additional replacements. You lock those down in here. You put your phone face down. You're gonna have to put this tab below the pull box. The box is the important thing here. You put your phone face down, you yank on this tab, and what it's doing is it's pulling all of the dirt, dust, and debris that may have been on your screen. I've seen a lot of these style on TikTok, and I said that can't be true. I'm gonna do a little bit more testing, especially because I have that extra one. Like you can show that if you put dust and debris right on it and then you pull it, it will pull it right off. That's pretty amazing. So this is the Smart Box screen protector to kick us off.